Never ever.
God have mercy upon us.
I have ever made a bucket list.
Ever. Yeah.
Even if you haven't achieved it, but
You have made. Yeah.
you can see it. Another one. I have ever completed my New Year's resolution.
Whoa. Hey. We have never. We have never. We have never.
I hear God saying something big is gonna happen. I hear him whisper, just keep your eyes on me. He's getting ready to open doors no man can shut. He's getting ready to tear down every wall that's been holding you up. So don't lose faith, now don't turn away. Keep your heart steady in the place you pray.
Second last statement. I have maintained a friendship since childhood. Childhood is 18 and below.
Yeah.
You have maintained a friendship since childhood. Yes. You know, one of those. It's very much. It's very much. Yeah. Last question.
No. No.
Last one. I have attended my high school reunion.
Hi.
You guys, what happened in high school?
We forgot.
Okay. Are we okay now?
Yes. Yes.